traders, welcome to Traders Hub Ninja. Today we are going to learn support and resistance. Looking at the chart, this one is the Pound USD day chart. In the bottom line acted as a support, signifying the entry point for buyers. In the top line acted as a resistance, signifying the entry point for sellers. Both the support and resistance levels are called a major level of structure. Now we are in a resistance zone. Why this one is a resistance zone? Because previously market was acted as a resistance. In this level, sellers are in control of the market will come down. Now the market will approach the same level. What will be happen in the next? Look at this particular candle. Bearish candle. This one is a bearish Marbusho candle. Bearish Marbusho candle will be formed in a proper resistance level, resistance zone. Bearish Marbusho candle will be formed in a proper resistance zone. We are ready to take a sell entry. Where to place the stop loss and target? Above the swing high is our stop loss. Our support level is our target. It was a proper resistance zone. Bearish Marbusho candle will be formed in a resistance zone. We will take a sell entry. Market was respect the level. Sellers are in control of the market. Market will come down. Lot of bearish candles will be formed in the real market. Our target was hit. And then look at this particular two candles. This one is the first candle is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle. Bullish candle will be completely covered the previous bearish candle. This two candles pattern is called a bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle is a bullish reversal candlesticks pattern. This particular bullish engulfing candle will be formed in a proper support level. So we are ready to take a buy entry after closing the bullish engulfing pattern. What will be our stop loss? Our stop loss is our swing low and our target is resistance zone. Previous resistance zone. What will be happen? Buyers are in control of the market because bullish engulfing candle will be formed in a proper support level. So our target was hit. Look here, it was a proper resistance zone. Here market was respect, sellers are taking control. Next candle, wait and watch the next candle. Look at this particular candle. These two candles. First candle is a bullish candle and the next candle is a bearish candle. The second candle is closed below the major level of structure, this particular resistance zone. These two candles called a bearish engulfing candles because the second bearish candle is completely covered the previous bullish candle. So this two candle pattern is called a bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle will be formed in a proper resistance zone. So we are ready to take a sell entry here. Same, our stop loss is above the swing high. Our target is our support level. Previous support level. Market was respecting the resistance zone. Sellers are in control of the market. Lot of bearish candles will be formed in the real market. Now our target was hit. Look at these three candles. First one is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle. Market was respect the support level. Buyers are taking control to this particular support level. Here also we are ready to take a buy entry. Buyers are in control of the market. Look here, our target is only the resistance zone. We will hit our target. Our target was hit. And then look at this particular candle. This particular bullish candle is closed above the resistance zone. This particular bullish candle is closed above the resistance zone. Market was closed above the resistance zone. That means breakout occurred. It indicates that resistance has now turned into support because this particular bullish candle is closed above the resistance zone. So the resistance zone was turned into support. Resistance has now turned into support here. In this level, buyers are in control of the market. But you don't want to take any buy entry. We are waiting for a pullback and retest. Market will retest the same breakout level. Then we have to take a buy entry. What will be happen in the real market? Wait and watch. Market was respecting the breakout level. Buyers are in control of the market. Look here. Look at this level. Previously it was a resistance zone. Breakout will be occurred in the real market. Resistance turn into support here. Market was retest in this level. We are ready to take a buy entry here. Our stop loss is our resistance zone below the breakout level. Our target is 1:2. Buyers are taking control. Lot of bullish candles will be formed. Market was respect the breakout level. Aggressively, buyers are entering the market. Buyers are in control. Finally, our target was hit. This is a way to approach the resistance turn into support. In the next video, we will discuss about the support turn into resistance using with real charts. Don't trade blindly, friends. You should follow your own analysis also. Subscribe to our channel. Continue supporting with us for more videos. Thank you for watching.